creating a Canva account. Now, there are two ways of how you can open up your Canva account. Now, obviously, if you want to start working on your Canva, or let's say on Canva, you need to have an account. Now, there are two account types. One is premium and one is free. But one thing is that you will get a lot of facilities when you use the premium version. Okay? You're going to get access to a lot of stuff which you cannot while using free. So if you want to use it for for your career or maybe some official purpose, then I'm obviously going to suggest you so that you can get a subscription and use the premium version. Okay? Now, first thing you're going to do is either you can download Canva on your PC, or you can go to the web browser, which it's already going to do, and then search up for canva.com first and then make your account. Now I'm going to do is search for canva.com. Okay, I'm going to hit on enter, and you can see that an interface like this will appear up. Okay, now you can see there's Canva free, Canva Pro, and Canva for team. Now you can see this over here. If you already have an account, just click on login, but if you don't have an account, just click on sign up for free. Now there are other ways if you want to open up a Canva account. Now, one of the most convenient type of method to open up a Canva account is by using the Google account. Okay, so I will show it to you, but if you want any other way, just click on continue with other. You can see that there's Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, Clever, email, and you can also log in with your phone number. So use whichever one you want. You just have to follow through it. But I'm also going to give you an idea of how you'll be able to do that. Well, most people know how to make an account nowadays, but if you are still confused or if you still have any questions, I'm going to give you a very simple tutorial or a very simple walkthrough to making an account. Now I'm going to do is click on continue with Google. Now you can see it is how it works. You can choose whichever account you have over here. Now I'm going to do is use whichever account, or what you can also do is go back. I'm going to go back again. I'm going to do is you have this over here, sign up for free and continue with Google. Now the first thing I'm going to do is going to be use another account. Now I'm not going to use mine. Okay, so I'm going to do is create an account. So what I'm going to be doing is going to first off making up an account over here. Now what I'm going to do is type in, let's say, Jake Paul. Okay, click on next. And I'm going to do is fix all of these. I'm going to type in 2000s maybe, gender male, and press on next. Now I'm going to put is Jake Paul at gmail.com, or let's say I'm gonna do is use your existing, or maybe Jake Paul 56 at gmail.com, or let's say I'm gonna do is type in Jake Paul 2947 at gmail.com. Let's see if it still works. Okay, works. Just cut this off. Let's put a very simple password so that we can get in fast. What I'm going to do is, okay, we got this. Let's go. Okay, I have to put in a better password. Let's say, let's go. Here we go. I have to put in my phone number. So you can use whichever country's phone number you want to use. Let's say I'm going to type in mine. Press on next. I'm going to wait for a while until I get my verification code. And after I get my verification code, I'm going to do is just put it up. And then you will basically see that my account has basically been made. But first thing I'm going to do is going to be waiting. And I'm going to type in code. Let's say 0 for UK. Next. And then I'm going to do skip this part. Next. I'm going to do agree to everything, which I have in Google. You can see, I'm going to press on next again. Now, after your account has been made, just select that account, and basically you will see that it will open up an interface like this. Now, it will ask you what will you be using Canva for. Now, if you have a large company or a student or personal, small business, teacher, nonprofit, or charity, select whichever one you want, and then it will just basically find out the data and also all the resources for you. Now, as I want to use it for maybe teaching or maybe, let's say, personal use or nonprofit charity, up to you. So from here, I'm going to do is click on teaching because that is what I will be doing for now. Now I'm going to do is click on and hire or somewhere else. Okay, I'm going to press on continue, and there you go. You have your account made. Now, another thing what you can also do is go off to Canva. Or first thing what you can do is search for Canva.com. Now, after you search for Canva.com, what you can do is start your free trial maybe. Or another thing what you can do is download it on the software or download the software on your PC. Now, I have already downloaded the software, but if you do not have it downloaded, what you can do is click on open the app. Now, it will tell you if you have your software, on your PC. But what you can also do is click on download Canva. Now, after you hit on download Canva, you will basically see that there is the software over here. It is directly from canva.com. What you're going to do is just click on this download, or you can also go over here canva.com/download, and you can download it for your Windows or your Mac or maybe even for your phone. Okay, but if you want to use your phone, just go off the Play Store or maybe App Store and then download it for your own purpose. Now, another thing you have to keep in mind, it's for Windows 10 and above. If you have a Windows 7 or 8, it might not work or it might not function properly. So make sure that you have a Windows 10 or later. Well, most of the people nowadays in this time use a Windows 10 or more, okay, which is 11 or so, but I would suggest you to use a 10 or an 11, which is going to be required. Okay, now after you are done downloading Canva, what you can do is just hit it up or start it up from your PC screen, or you can also click on this open the app. Now from here, the site is trying to open Canva, just click on open, and you'll basically see this is how it works. Now, one thing you have to do is also log in through the browser. So what you're going to do is click and log into your browser. Now what you have to do is give the access so that you can use it on the software too. So I'm going to do is click on yes, continue Canva app, press on open, and there we go. We have finished logging in on our account. See, this is very simple to make a Canva account. Now, you might feel like it is getting a bit confusing or so, but there are a couple of methods. If you want to make an account using your Facebook account, it's also doable. If you want your phone number, you can also try that, or maybe Clever and all of those. It's all up to you. You can also make up an account just by using an email which you already have, and then just start using it. Okay. Okay. So hope you understood everything about this lesson, and if you want to go through any of the settings or maybe any of your, let's say, your account or so, just go over here, find whichever one you want. You can see over here that I'm using this account, and you can also see Google and all of those. Okay, and you can also customize your Canva, how it looks, appearances, but I'm going to be keeping that for later purpose. So up till now, I hope you learned everything, and in our next lesson, we are going to learn about some basic designs in Canva. So thank you for watching this video up till the end, and now let's move on to our next lesson of Canva project-based.